So we received the filter already. There we go.
Huh?
Here's the filter that we ordered from Amazon. So I'm gonna open one. There we go. Take this cup up.
This is so
So let's go. We're gonna install this. We're at the fridge, opening it, and here you will see the filter. All you have to do is, let's get closer. All you have to do is twist it. Just lock. There's the arrow there, and there's the unlock. To do is twist it there. Just do it like that. There, see? And then this is the new one. Put it back like that. And push and turn. There.
cool.
That's it. You got a new filter, and this one is no good already. And we're gonna close it. And here, if you want to clear the filter, all you have to do is, where is it? Here, alarm. It says filter reset. Press it 3 seconds. There, it's gone. The next thing you need to do is to put it on water and flash air. See, there's air bubbling. See, look at that. That's all air.
Only
There we go.
the flashing.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's ready. Okay. So the first drink is for Daddy. Good.